world boss. Where is that? Today at the day, my general?
Yeah, man, today at the day, free boss, free, man.
Go on, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. The hottest topic in the planet right now. Vybz Kartel is free. World Boss is free. Alright, Sean Stam, the rest of the co-accused, they are free, my people. So, you don't know, bless up. Thanks to Father God for that one. Alright, so we're gonna move on, my people. Vybz Kartel from him out. The man I make beer links. You understand? I don't know if you remember Vybz Kartel was this. Him known for this internet viral person from long time. You understand? And you can see say him still have the same charisma. You can see him still is a jovial person. You understand? Very, him always around joke and all of them things there. So I'm gonna link up him daughter Adiana, my people. I'm have a quick snippet Adiana like she do him fiance here. You understand? We're gonna just check out that and come back real quick. Enough people in my link up still in my people. Stay tuned.
Everything I mean cause it.
Let me see if that's cute, because you like to pick cute stuff for yourself and ugly stuff for me.
Oh, please.
Oh, that's cute. Daddy, is me a video in?
No.
Daddy, make sure that don't look
Yo, my people, when you see that and hear that, you see me, that is just a little bond between father and daughter. You understand? But you can still pick up, say, you know, him a still a jovial person and all of them thing there. You see me? And I'm not gonna lie, I like what I go on right here so still. You see what I say? Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Alright, my people, and this wasn't the only link of Vybz Kartel make him link up him sister them, my people. When you can see, I'm sister them that on the screen right now. And him sister them alone him link up. The boss well busy, you know. Stay tuned.
Remember now, TJ this, you know. Bun politics, I know PJ this, you know. My brother from another mother. Yeah, man, I love them youth, man. Them youth, they run from the one through the fight, through the struggle. Big up Dukali, aka Mataran. And that I go on, fan. What I go on?
Yeah, my people, and I definitely that I go on. Fan, what I go on. You see me, I say, you can see, say, Sean Stam. Out the whole team, everybody a vibe, and me not gonna lie, it is such a happy moment. You understand? Big up yourself, world boss. Big up yourself anywhere you're there. Big up to him team. My people, them people here go bat. Them people here go do the work. You understand? And things did need for happen for certain things. Because see the right now, the recognition where Isaac Buchanan I get. Based from all of them something here, like if this never did happen, would not get the recognition here right now, my people. You understand? So Mariette Allah Wagwan. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. This is me officially telling you welcome home, my G. Welcome a road. You see what I say? Alright, my people, so as me telling about the live we dropped yesterday, that more detail that you the waiting, everything. So I'm just gonna drop the last parts of the live. Wanna stay tuned. Big up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. I'm out, my people.
Oh, please.
Oh, that's cute. Daddy, is me a video in?
No.
Daddy, make sure that don't look
Everything I mean cause it.
Let me see if that's cute, because you like to pick cute stuff for yourself and ugly stuff for me.
Oh, please.
Oh, that's cute. Daddy, is me a video in?
No.
Daddy, make sure that don't Back that way, sir, go that way. Back that way, back that way.
Alright, people, so Vybz Kartel is now free. Sean's time is at a different facility, is at Horizon. Police trying to get the place in order, people. Vybz Kartel just left in the limo. We weren't close enough to actually catch that footage, but we are going to be at the greatest dancehall show ever that he'll be performing. Alright, my people? Alright, so catch the reaction of everybody. This is what the crowd is at down here, my people. Alright, and Vybz Kartel is no longer in this place, my people. No longer in this place. He's now out on the road like a normal citizen. Alright, this is the reaction here.